If ever you need to replace a Toyota connector and you want to find the part number, usually the number is on the back. You can see it there. And then you just add the prefix 90980 and add this number to it, and that should give you the part number. There's another one. There. Let's put on new terminals for the knock sensor. Just crimp these on. Got this terminal and plug from EFI Solutions. Placing this connector, the button broke. So let's just replace this connector and hopefully we can reuse the existing terminals. So let's remove this lock, this white bit. Just gently kind of pry it up. This connector was super brittle, so everything I tried, it will just break into pieces. Traditionally there's a little lock in the front that you release, and then to get to the pins there's usually some little tab that you can either lift or press down to release the terminals from behind. This plug just fell to pieces, which wasn't too bad because I just removed it all and I didn't have to replace the terminals. I just put the terminals straight into the new plug connector. Pretty quickie. Yep, they're in, and then just push down the lock. There you go. Alright, just gonna remove this lock. There we go. So I'm just kind of finding the lock and just getting my screwdriver and just kind of prying it down, and then from behind I'm pulling out the wire. There we go. It'll come out. So yeah, I don't know if you can see them, but so the wires were in there. And that's the little lock that I was just kind of prying down. So put the lock back on. Beauty.